Morning. And earlier I mentioned we had a brand new tropical depression that had formed. I want to show you, this is Tropical Depression 7, which has formed in the central Atlantic, and it's expected to become our next tropical storm. So Tropical Storm Gabrielle be the name there. Winds right now 35 miles per hour. It kind of got its act together a little bit overnight last night, but this is a pretty large system for just being a tropical depression. It's not particularly organized, but we can see the storm activity where we see thunderstorms around it stretch almost 1,000 miles across. So it's a big system. Spaghetti models taking it northwestward, and then you notice as we get into early to mid next week, there's this steering current to the north. So something to watch for Bermuda, but as of right now, very few outliers that take it more to the west. So we do not expect as of right now an impact to Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, or the U.S. mainland. So Bermuda will be the one area that we're watching, but the environment does become very favorable for development and further strengthening. You can see here the official track from the Hurricane Center becoming a tropical storm later today. So it will become Gabrielle and then gradual intensification to a hurricane by some point this week. And I say that with one caveat. When we see these storms moving into some warmer waters, the further west that they go, sometimes we can actually reach that hurricane status earlier. But this storm will also be battling a couple of other environmental factors, wind shear, etc., that might limit how quickly it can strengthen. We've got one other area we're watching, a tropical wave, which is moving in towards the Cabo Verde Islands off the west coast of Africa that has a 20% chance of development over the next 7 days. Closer to